Hi everyone, welcome to DD classes. Today we are going to see about the aggregate supply and its components for class 12 determination of income and employment lesson. So first of all, define aggregate supply. What is aggregate supply? It refers to the money value of final goods and services that all the producers are willing. So here the willing. All the producer are willing to supply in an economic in a given time period. So aggregate supply equal to national income. Why we said aggregate supply is equal to national income? When A is expressed in physical terms, it refers to total output of goods and services in an economic. So we know that the value of our total output is distributed to factors of production in the form of rent, wages, interest and profit. So these factor incomes at domestic and national level is termed as a national income. So we can say that aggregate supply and national income are one and the same thing. So that's why we said aggregate supply equal to national income because of these factor incomes, rent, wages, interest and profit. Next is, what are the components of aggregate supply? So the major portion of national income is spent on consumption of goods and services and the balance is saved. It means income is either consumed or saved. That is whether it is a consumption or saving. So Y equal to, that is income equal to aggregate supply equal to consumption plus saving. So consumption which is always positive, saving may be negative when the level of income is low, that is when C is greater than Y. Savings are zero when consumption is equal to income, that is when C equal to Y. Savings are positive when consumption is less than income, that is when C is less than Y. So saving is a component of the income. So now the components of aggregate supply are consumption and saving. Next is we are going to see the aggregate supply schedule. See the supply schedule, national income, consumption, saving and A is equal to C plus S. So the first, that is the income started from 0 and completed with 60 and consumption started at 20 and completed at 50 and saving start with minus 20 and ends with 10. So here C is a positive function of income. That is, as income increases, consumption increases. See the consumption level and the income level. And S is a positive function of income. That is, as income increases, saving increases. So AS is same as a income. That is, aggregate supply is equal to income. AS equal to C plus S. It forms an angle of 45 degree at origin, which means that aggregate supply equal to consumption plus saving. Now it's your turn. Aggregate supply and dash are always equal. If you know the answer, type in a comment box. Thank you.